Tired of flat basketballs and deflated soccer balls? Introducing our compact high-performance ball pump, your ultimate solution for quick inflation and easy deflation. Designed for versatility, it handles multiple ball types with ease, making it a must-have for sports enthusiasts and households alike. This ball pump features an LED display with 5 mode selections for easy operation and one-touch start. It comes with multiple nozzle adapters to fit different items and a USB charging design that supports power bank charging for enhanced battery life. Whether it's basketballs, footballs, volleyballs, baseballs, or other types of balls, it accurately matches the air pressure and automatically stops inflating, freeing your hands. Let's take a look at its performance in the real battle. Pump the basketball first. Set the PSI and start it with one button. The air pressure is displayed in real time, and it stops automatically when it is finished. No need to look after it. Then, look at the football, volleyball, baseball. All easy to handle, fast, efficient, and safe. This ball pump also supports a reverse deflation function, allowing you to release air with one click after games for easy storage. It's especially suitable for coaches, sports teams, and home use. Whether you're a home user, sports training institution, or sporting goods distributor, this ball pump is a must-have. As a professional ball pump design and manufacturing company, SUNGPO supports OEM/ODM customization. We have provided brand white label, partnerships, and bulk order services for multiple countries and regions. Place your order now and enjoy fast shipping service. For wholesale, customization, agent cooperation, welcome to contact us. We will provide you with professional solutions.